Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix Roblox error code 403. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So there are a few things for you to do here for you to possibly fix this issue. So one of those things first is we want to change a few files here on our PC. So at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and go to search here, and you want to type in the following, which is run. So go ahead and click on this one, and you want to open up the following. So type in the following, which is going to be %local app data %, and just click on OK. Now once you click on it, it's going to open up this app data local folder. So in this case, look for Roblox. So an easy way for you to search for it is go ahead and click on any folder here, type in R, and from here you should be able to see Roblox immediately. Now in this case, what you need to do is just right click on it, and from here just click on the delete option. Now once you deleted that folder, the next thing that we want to do here is we need to reinstall Roblox. So in here you want to open up any game. So for example, I want to open up this game here, and from here just click on the play button, and the installation process should now start, and from there just basically install it and you should be good. Now, in some cases, if this doesn't work, well, there are a few things that you should be checking here on your internet. So one of the first things that you should be checking here is if you have your VPN turned on. So in this case, if you're using the Windows VPN here, just type in VPN and make sure that it's actually turned off. Now, if you're using a different type of application for your VPN, make sure that you turn that off and check if that solves your issue. Now, if that doesn't solve the issue, the last and final thing that we can do here is we want to ensure that we have a proper internet connection. Now, having poor connection can actually lead you on having this issue. So make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So if you're using a laptop, you might want to change it to a different network if you have it available, and from there, see if that actually solves the issue. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.